Walking.
Alright, come here. Alright, this is a quick video. I just want to show, you can actually get this. I just want to show how to convert aluminum MIG wire into a TIG rod, like you see behind you. This is the finished product right here. A lot more sturdier than just pulling the rod. And this is if you don't want to use or purchase aluminum wire. So, alright. First thing you do, pull out your wire. It's similar to a weed whacker. Pull out about how much wire you think you're going to need. Yeah, take this thing out. Alright, cut your wire. Pull the wire out. Get them about even. Pinch the halfway point. Come here. Pinch the halfway point like that. Come on over here. You're gonna need a drill and a vise. Stick your pinched end into the drill. Tighten down the drill. Once you have that, make sure you try not to get too many creases in here. Take your time, unlike what I'm doing right now. Pull it out even. Once you get it about even, come here. Once you get it about even, you're going to take two ends, put into the vise, or anything stationary. Vise just happens to work better for me right now. Alright, you want to keep tension on this, and you want to start slow. Get a close up on this. You see the wire start tightening up on itself. It's not done. You want to keep going. You'll see the coils get even tighter. The tighter it gets, you want to slow down a little bit. And it's going to pull itself in. And you can keep going and it'll break itself off, or you can stop when you feel like it. I think this is good enough for me right here. And now, cut your end off, and boom, you have a sturdy, straight wire that you can use to TIG with. I'm sure this can work for MIG wire, for stainless, for regular steel, whatever, but it's just a quick way to make a rod out of MIG wire. So, thanks for watching.